Hello, my name is Nikia Smith, and this is Playlist Syncer. So this is our team. I'm the team lead as well as the lead backend engineer. Ben is our documentation lead, and Josh is our lead front-end engineer. So the problem we're trying to solve here is that music streaming platforms can often be overbearing, overly expensive, and just not that great to use. So we kind of want to help tear down the barriers between streaming services and allow people to move between them more easily. As things become cheaper, and certain services become overbearing or too simplistic or don't have the music they like or whatever the case may be, we want to help bridge the barriers between streaming platforms. So our solution is a simple web app that allows users to transfer their plays between streaming platforms, which will help them bring their music, all their unique tastes, between these different ecosystems. Specifically to do this, we're using Flutter Dart for our UI, as well as for connecting to JS and Flask, which we'll go over in a minute here. Then we have OAuth, which is used for Apple Music and Spotify authentication. We have Git, which is used for version control. And then we have our JSON Web Token, which is specifically used for Apple authentication. So how does it work? This is our system architecture. Here you can see our front end, our JavaScript middleware, and our Python Flask backend. The front end is used for interfacing with the user. The JavaScript middleware is specifically used for user authentication. Both Apple Music and Spotify handle user authentication through JavaScript. And then as well as this all communicates with our Python Flask backend server, which is responsible for getting playlists and initializing playlist transfers. This is our front end. We have the authentication page, which handles user authentication. We have the transfer page, which actually handles playlist transfer. And then we have the settings page, which is where we store accessibility, options, all that fun stuff. Here you can see a quick preview of our UI. And this is all hosted on a Raspberry Pi 4, linked to a static public IP. For our next steps, we want to improve security, optimize our code base, and add more accessibility settings. And now for a quick demo. So here you can see our front end. I'm going to go ahead and quickly authenticate Spotify, grab our playlist data, and I'm going to authenticate with Apple Music, preview its playlist data. We can go ahead and initialize a transfer here from Spotify to Apple Music. So transfer, and there you go. And now this playlist will appear in my Apple Music. So that's that. And thank you for watching our demo and presentation.